What's up YouTube, it's me Amari, and today we'll be converting my old skates into van skates. So let's get into the video. What you're going to do is you're going to have to take the wheels off the old skates. So let's start. Now that we got the wheels off, we are going to take off these bolts that connect the plate to the shoe. Hi guys. Okay, so I'll be here telling you guys what to do now. So what I'm trying to show you is the Vans insole. You're going to want to try to take that out. It was a little hard to get out, but yeah, you gotta take that one out. And then once you get them out, this is how they'll look. Then you're going to want to get one of these puncture resistant insoles for your shoe, and you're going to cut it a little bit because mine was too big, but this is what it looks like. I ordered off Amazon. It was like $25, or you could also get an insole, aluminum insole off of Etsy. They run about the same, but it might just take a little longer to come. Then once you cut it, you're going to just stuff it inside the shoe like so. Might take a little minute to get it in there, but once it's in, I got my dad to drill holes in the bottom of the shoe. Once I lined it up with the plate and made sure the screw holes was even to the shoe, and I drilled the holes and made sure they went through the insole that was inside, and I put the screws inside, and then I just screw the plate back to the shoe and put all of the bolts back in, and then I just put the wheels back onto the plate and put the bolts in again and made sure it wasn't too tight and make sure it was to my liking, just how I liked it. And yeah, that's basically about it, guys. This is how I made my Vans shoes, and they're beautiful and they're perfect, and I like them so much. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.